The third simulation here is really in what might be considered a mill example. And, we had the pilot fly in through a door and fly out through a window. We hid a worker in the area, a dummy that represented a missing worker. And the pilot had to essentially navigate in and amongst the factory floor to determine exactly where that fallen or missing worker might be. So you can see he's navigating around some tight spaces, lots of obstacles, and began doing a search grid to try and determine exactly where our missing worker might be. Eventually, he's going to discover them by the conveyance and get a sense again, fly in to determine exactly his or her condition and a response plan. And we wanted to assume that the exit had to be different than the entry based on the conditions. And so we asked the pilot to exit through a small opening for the conveyance. Again, just demonstrating or testing the capability of this unit to get in and out of tight spaces. Pilot is well away from the building and operating from a safe distance. And so now he exits, wraps around, and returns to the LZ. Again, he has the situational awareness from the FPV material as well as high-def video from the camera.